I received these eardrops from Marie Originals, and I'm so glad I did. Unfortunately, my husband developed an ear infection last week, and I suggested let's use these eardrops. And after a few days, his discomfort and pain was gone, and he was feeling back to his normal self. So all you have to do is use this 2 times a day, and it's also all natural too, and very easy to use. Let me show you a close-up of how to use it. This is so easy to use. All you need to do is tilt your head to one side and squeeze 3 drops into the affected ear. You hold the position for about 3 to 5 minutes and before bringing your head upright. And they recommend you use this 2 times a day. So we used it morning and night, and this is what it looks like when you drip it. This is also made of calendula oil, garlic oil, mullein flower oil, olive oil, St. John's wort oil, and tea tree oil too. And this is also made in the USA, and it's to promote a healthy ear. This is great to use for adults, children, and even dogs too. This is good to use for earwax removal, pressure relief, ear infection relief, as well as earaches too. This is also gluten-free, GMO-free, no artificial scents or dyes. It also has no petroleum and no phosphates either. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.